So, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, October 13. And ang topic po natin for today is tatlong dahilan para magtiwala sa Diyos or transcendence of God. So, ano po ba yung transcendence of God? So, to say that God is transcendent means He exists above, beyond, and independent of His creation. He is not bound by time, space, or matter. Like His creatures, He is holy, utter, and infinitely greater than all He has made. Ibig sabihin, the Scripture reveals that God transcends in passages like Isaiah chapter 59 verse 8 to 9. My thoughts are not your thoughts. It reminds us that He rules all over, cannot be reduced to human categories, and deserve our awe-filled worship. So, ang scripture natin ngayon is Isaiah chapter 55 verse 8 to 9. Basahin ko po. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways are my ways, declares the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts higher than your thoughts. So, sa Diyos po natin papurihan. So, ang ibig sabihin lang po ng transcendence of God, kung bakit po tayo dapat magtiwala sa ating Panginoon, is He exists beyond His creation. Ibig sabihin, ang ating Panginoon po ang gumawa ng space, time, at earth, kung ano-ano pa po yung ating universe or yung ating known existing universe. So, for us mga tao na in order for us to truly appreciate or truly trust God, is we have to understand na God is almighty, all powerful, and beyond our concept. Ibig sabihin ng mga tao, beyond the concept of what we can think or yung sa reality ng ating naiisip, ay ang ating Panginoon po ay lagpas pa po doon. So, we must think na I have a Lord with me na who sacrificed Himself for me in order for me to be saved, or for me to go to heaven and to obtain this His kingdom, diba? So, dapat nating natandaan po mga tao na we have a loving God, we have a just God. So, we must realize na talagang hindi po natin kailangan mangamba kapag tayo po ay may Diyos na ganon, may Diyos na loving, just, omniscient, omnipotent. So, ating scripture for today is God is both transcendent and immanent. So, immanent. God's thoughts are infinitely higher, and God's ways are infinitely better. So, hindi po natin dapat papangunahan ng ating Panginoon. Hindi po natin kailangan siya ikulong sa kung ano naintindihan natin. But of course, we must base it on the Bible. Dahil dito nga po, sinasabi ng ating Panginoon kung ano siya, kung ano ang gusto niya, at kung ano yung message niya para sa atin. So, ayun lang po, ako si Godfrey Quizon, and this is my devotion for today, October 13. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Ayun lang po, and God bless.